Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a new way of making money online, and you're going to be using AI. We know that AI is completely taking over internet and the world. Everything is related to AI today. If you're not using AI, you're missing out big time. So let's go. All right, so first I want to show you exactly why AI is important, especially nowadays. You can see here that it stood at just under 45 billion US dollar at the end of 2023, which is now past, and it doubled from 2022, and it's expected to grow of nearly 20 billion US dollar annually until the end of a decade. So up till 2030, it's just going to grow more and more, and even more after that, of course. So here, as you can see on a Bloomberg article, it says that it's going to be at a 1.3 trillion market by 2032. It's huge. So this is why you need to take advantage and start making money with AI. So the website we're going to use is called Rask.ai. It is free. You can try it for free. And let's go ahead so you can see. And it is a website that's going to help you translate videos to other languages. And you can generate money by offering this service to companies, to other content creators. So it's a very easy and simple way for you to make money online just by using AI. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. So once here, you're just gonna upload a video. You can try the sample, but let's go ahead and upload a video. You can just get a link of a YouTube video you want to upload. So for this example, I'm just gonna post one of my YouTube videos, and so that's gonna be easier for me to check the quality of the translation. And I'll show you how exactly and why I'm saying that, because as we all know now, I'm French, so I can request a translation in French because it is an English video. I speak in English in the video, so I'm going to request a translation in French, and I'll be able to check the quality of the translation, and I'll let you guys know if it is worthy of using this website for translations. So we're going to go ahead and just translate. As you can see, it's just transcripting the video, so we're just going to wait and get back later. All right, now the video has been fully translated, and let's listen to it real quick. It is good. Okay. From what I just listened to, it is real good. It's well spoken. The AI translation tool really used the right words from what I heard, but I'm going to listen to the full video. I can confirm it's really, really good. So I don't know about all the languages. You have a ton of languages you can choose from. But for French, I can tell you that it is real good. So I just want to show you all the languages you can translate your videos or audio to. You have like the main ones. I mean, of course, very, very well-known languages: German, English, Spanish, French, Hindi, Italian, Polish, Portuguese. You have a ton of languages. Also Arabic, Catalan, that's not well spread around the world. French Canadian, French from Belgium, Hebrew, Hungarian, Iceland. I mean, look at that. You have all the languages you want. So once you tried it, you can try it for yourself first. If you have a friend who speaks another language, you can just ask them, hey, can you check it out? Can you see if the video is well translated, just to make sure. But once you have that done and you made your research and you're happy with the results, then now I'll show you how you can make money with that. So the first website you can definitely use to make money translating videos and audio, you can go to fiverr.com and you're going to type translating video translation. Perfect. You're going to type that and you'll have an idea of how much people are charging just to translate videos. So here, let's say this one, this person is charging, I will translate and add Arabic and English subtitles to your video, and it is from 8 Canadian dollar because I'm in Canada. But if you check, it probably has a time limit for the translation. So yeah, it is $3 per minute. So $8 for 2 minutes. Over here, you can see on the standard package is offering for 10 minutes, for a video of up to 10 minutes, $43. So you can just imagine how much you can make if you were to translate an hour-long video. It can add up. Let's see the premium. 30 minutes for 129, 130, let's say. So it would be 260 for just 1 hour of a video that you wouldn't even need to translate. Literally, like it's going to be done by AI automatically. So that's a great way to make money online with AI. So now we're going to a second method. Another website you can use to offer your services is going to be upwork.com. So if you go there on the website, you can type video translation and just check, for jobs. So some people are looking literally for video translators. Here, I'm looking to hire a translator to translate my YouTube videos into German and Swedish. So here you go. You have some job offers, budget. You can offer your services as well. So that would be another easy website to use that is completely free to offer your translation services. So the other method you can use, so you'll go to Rask AI on the website. You'll scroll all the way down, and what you're going to do, you're going to go to the become an affiliate over here, and then right there, that's how you'll make money as an affiliate. So this is something I've been doing for years, and I've been making a ton of money doing affiliate marketing. So I highly recommend that for beginners. So as you can see here, if you refer 2 people, you can earn 670. You refer 5 people, you earn $1,677, and 10 people, you can earn 3,354 people. 10 people, just imagine if that's your target for the month, it's easily achievable. What you can do, like to get that much people, you can use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube as well. Create videos and put your link there on at the top of your page, on your bio, when you go to TikTok or Instagram. Make sure you put your link. You get a link, and every time somebody is gonna just join Rask.ai, you will make money. So if you have 2 people, you will earn 670. And if you have 5 people, I mean, just imagine how many people are viewing your videos on TikTok. And it's not one or two, you'll get like thousands. Some people are getting millions of views per video, or on YouTube, right? You can create short videos as well. Those are reaching a much larger audience because the videos are shorter. So I recommend doing that. I have a ton of videos. You can just go check them out. I have videos showing you exactly how you can reach a lot of people using social media. So definitely do that and start spreading your link around on your video, like showing this website how you can translate videos with AI. AI is well searched by everyone all over the world. Everybody wants to do things the easy way. They don't want to take too much time. Nobody has much time in their daily routine to do extra work. So if you can make money working the least amount of hour and making the most money, that's all we want. So using AI is the smartest way to do it. And the last method, which is going to be the most profitable one for you, is going to be to go to your YouTube platform, type a subject, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. I wrote affiliate, I typed affiliate marketing, and you're just going to have to, you know, check big YouTubers, famous YouTubers. I mean, not like too famous, but big accounts like this one, let's say, 500,000 subscribers. That's pretty decent. So you'll want to reach out to these YouTubers and, just offer them the service to translate their videos in another language so they can reach more people and make more money with whatever they're doing. So it could be, I don't know, like finances or diets, or like diets. You probably have a lot of people as well that are making a lot of money selling diet plans or exercise plans or whatever it is. Making money online is a big niche, so like I would just try to target that, because those people are trying to sell something usually and they want to reach more people. So if you can offer to translate their videos, you can offer them from, I don't know, 2,000 up to 10,000 depending on the budget of these people, but you can make a lot more than what you're making with on Fiverr or Upwork. And these people, I mean, these big accounts, usually they have a budget. They have enough money to pay you more money. So don't hesitate to offer your service for at least 2,000 or at least $1,000 for some videos. Like, I don't know how many videos you want to translate, but some videos are not too long and it would be very easy for you to do. So if you do speak another language, I would recommend you translating the video into your language. So you want to target YouTubers that are only speaking English, let's say, or if you speak another language and you want to translate in English or whatever it is, like I'd recommend you first use the tool, the Rask.ai website, translating into your language, your native language, so you can check the quality and make sure it's a good translation. And that way, you know that you're offering a good service, a quality type of service, and it's not, just like when we used to translate everything on Google and the translations were horrible. I can tell you that. It's getting better and better over the years, but it used to be horrible. So I recommend doing that. Or if you do have a friend who speaks another language who can help you out, why not? But you can make a ton more money. You can definitely go from $2,000 up to $10,000 depending on the budget of those YouTubers. But that would be a great way to make a ton of money online, the easy way. And again, I want to show you the numbers. AI is definitely growing year after year. The global spending expected to jump from $20 billion in 2022 to $420 billion in 2027. That's a 15x increase and 72%. So it is huge. Take advantage of that. Don't sleep on it. We're still early right now. If you jump into AI right now to make money, you'll be early and you'll make a ton of money, like before other people who are going to jump on later on. So yeah, just get to it. Thanks guys for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here, and I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.